Check. Okay, let's go. Today, very quick news, and a few coins that I'm running. Maybe they will pump in the next upcoming week or two. So if you want to find out what else didn't pump yet and where is still opportunity, let's go. Hello and welcome, my name is Matthew. Remember, everything here is non-financial advice. This is a positive channel with positive vibrations. So let's go very quick. Let's dive into the Bitcoin. So this is my kind of level chart, okay, where I have all the levels. As you can see, the next level for Bitcoin is 48,000. So far these levels were clearly represented. Remember, these levels were made when we were here, okay? So clearly we have them done very good. Look how many times this level was tested and bang, okay? Now we're at this level zone, and as we can see, if we're gonna look at this from the parabolic point of view, Bitcoin may go parabolic as well, but at the moment we are 44,000 stopped here. And if we're gonna zoom in on this chart, if we're gonna zoom in, one moment, if we're gonna zoom in here, okay, this one. If we're gonna zoom in here on the 30s, look, we have here a nice pattern which is slightly kind of bearish, okay, slightly bearish for the moment. And if this pattern will lose this swing failure pattern level, then we are done. The good thing here, if you want to test, you can take this uncharted VWAP. It is here, okay. We can put this from the beginning of this impulse, and we can adjust this for another dip. Okay, now it looks better. But I wonder if we're gonna catch this zone here. So let's just adjust it a little bit more. Okay, I see now it's good. So if you are trading on high leverage, this is quite good strategy. So you may see how we can test this from the VWAP into VWAP. So if we're gonna break this VWAP, there's a higher chance that we're gonna stop here at this VWAP. You know, when you trade with the 50x leverage, that's kind of good strategy, you know. But anyway, at the moment, I'm thinking that this is not over, and I am waiting for a big correction, okay, huge correction. I think this is the wave number 3. If we're gonna take a look at this on the wave point of view, look, if we're gonna move this out, look, this is, a second, this looks like a wave 3. So that was 1, that was 2, that is 3. Then we're gonna have a, let's say 4, and then we're gonna even go to 5, or it's gonna be just a quick 4 and then 5, okay? And then we're gonna go to deep wave 2. So looking at this, going parabolic, we may stop even after 48, because after 48, apes will just gonna be crazy. So that's what I'm thinking. Now, once we're gonna stop with this, break this small pattern, watch out, have your stop losses now. Like many people are calling me, asking me, is it time to enter? Is it time to enter? Is it time to enter? Oh my God, this is not time, okay, to build up your HODL portfolio. What I'm doing now, I'm only trading, and I'm gonna be adding to my hold position once we're gonna have this bleeding in January, February, and March, okay? That's what I'm doing. So let's take a look at a few coins. First of all, MV is getting some signs of strength, okay? Then we have Zephyr. Zephyr is in a consolidation pattern now here. And if this is wave 4, watch out, because Zephyr will gonna go to wave 5. And you can clearly see that there is something going on the market, because some coins are still fighting for the upwards move. So it may not be over for them, okay? May not be over for them. What other coins didn't move yet, okay? So I'm looking at Kava, okay? Kava, we're gonna have a fixed supply open 1st January of 2024. So if this pattern here will start breaking up, I think Kava is breaking up. If this pattern will go here to the lower range of that pattern, that's going to be my good entry, okay? But if we're going to hold on here, okay, I mean, I have Kava since kind of here, okay? But I will add to my position. So I am waiting now. I don't mind. If we're going to start breaking, I'm going to add. If we're going to go here, I will add as well, because I think it's going to have something. Okay, Kava didn't pump too much, but I think maybe it's going to pump. Now, Dia, I don't like this pin candlestick because we are still in this channel, as you can see. However, Dia is looking quite bullish, and if it's gonna hold on at this 31 cents, well, that's gonna be something. Okay, Dia for me is hold for another 2-3 days, because at the moment they have this voting something whatever event, and they need probably Dia to vote. But if it's not gonna happen anything, if nothing will happen till about, let's say, Friday, I'm done for Dia. I'm done with Dia. Okay, Anchor looks good as well. So Anchor have a very similar pattern to Dia, and I think we have finished these corrections here. Now we are starting. I would say that we are kinda more here. I would say that we could about here. We could say 1, 2, or A, B, and now we're going to the wave C. So once this Anchor will start breaking, I'm gonna put my alarm here. Okay, alarm here. Once it's gonna start breaking to the upside here, this exponential moving average, it's 800 exponential moving average. I think it's time to, because it likes to pump. It likes to pump as well. So we have this, and Celio. Okay, Celio. It is looking bullish. Okay, it has an Adam Eve here pattern. Okay, so it's bullish, and now it's built up this consolidation at this pattern. For me, it's bullish. Okay, for me, it's bullish. I am waiting to break. I have an alarm here, and I'm waiting till it's gonna start breaking this side. Okay, so I have a Celio now. What I'm gonna add, and I am reminding you about that Wax P. They will have on 12th of the December. Disney NFT. Maybe something will be good from this. That's again the pattern which is giving at the moment. So I don't know, just take your chance and see how this thing looks like. And of course, Ethereum looks quite bullish for me. Okay, quite bullish for me. But first, Bitcoin have to stop running. Okay, so there's a high chance of Ethereum going now in retesting zone of 2100, kind of 2150. Okay, but the Bitcoin dominance have to go down. For the moment, Bitcoin dominance is going to, I think, 57%, because Bitcoin dominance is going with Bitcoin. So once this Bitcoin will stop, then people will start dumping Bitcoin for altcoins, and then we have a wave, big wave one, finish. Okay, that's gonna be something. And if we're gonna break all-time high, okay, that's gonna be something. That's something which didn't happen, but if we will see, if then the cycle will stay the same thing. Okay, so remember Wax, remember Clio, also Chromia. One second, I'm gonna show a last coin now. Chromia. Looks good, this breakup. Okay, this breakout and resist and retest, it's happening here. I don't think so. Chromia have finished her run, okay, because they are talking about real world assets and so on. So I think they are just starting. Like, look, Chromia and Bitcoin in a Bitcoin pair looks really bullish. Like, once this gonna start breaking and we have a support of 50 exponential moving average, watch out, because it's gonna push this this bar. So that's one coin. That's the second coin, Wax, and of course, our Nasdaqs. Watch out, because they are starting to launch their marketing campaign. Okay, this is this real world assets, and Matic is supporting this move. Okay, in their campaign. Okay, so let's go to this. We have Fear and Greed, which is consolidating now, and I'm hoping that it's gonna go up here, okay, to this level of 90. Once we're gonna reach this level, or we're gonna have maybe something, and we're gonna have something like this, yeah, this way, I'm taking my bags, okay, because like it will never go up and to infinity and beyond, okay. Watch out on LAUNCHPADS. Now, LAUNCHPADS are very hot now. What I mean LAUNCHPAD is like a DAO maker, okay? Meta VPAD, so MetaPad, Avalanche, Paid, yeah? Tencent, and others as well. They are really hot, like, because new projects are starting. New projects are starting. Look what is happening now on Xava, so Avalanche. We have this looped game, looped in the battle. Now, sneak peek, you can watch this video. It looks like a combination of Matrix, Call of Duty, and Fortnite, and maybe what was the Apex Legends as well. A very good game. So these games gonna create a new niche, so watch out for them. Like I have another channel, Web3 Extreme. When we're talking about games, we will start recording more often now because my son had exams, okay? And this another game is this Sharple, okay? Now this game is a game of the assets. What I mean by that, there was a game called Paragon, which was failure. It was a good game, but it didn't hold on with the Fortnite and let's say Apex Legends and Call of Duty and so on, okay? So this game was bankrupt. They sold assets to the shops, so you can buy these assets in the shops. This game is using maps, textures, and skins in most. I'm not saying all, in most of these of that game, because I was asking few developers and they told me straight away, bam, these are the same assets. So in developers' world, they are asking, is it possible to do a good game, kind of flagship game, based only on assets? So, it's not invented by the core team, it's by someone else. They just put it together, yeah? I say that it is possible because this game is heading into the new niche, because we haven't got in crypto a game with so good graphic, and so good textures. We just have a simple kind of picky kind of Mickey Mouse kind of games, dogs and bones, kind of nothing game, and this one is good. So I would say that this game could have its chance, because people will see, wow, we can earn, we can play, oh my God, hype will be here. That's what I'm saying. Another coin, watch out, it's the Clarkson Network. Clarkson Network is the fork of CAS. CAS network, very high profitable pump, like it went so much up, and now this is the fork. I am counting that this coin will have its run as well, so keep an eye on it, okay? CAS, not CAS only, where is it? KLS. This is very interesting. Everyone is talking about the Bitcoin ETF, BlackRock, and so on. Now, SEC is debating about a closure of kill switch. So once they want that BlackRock will implement so-called kill switch, because it's about Bitcoin's nature. We can have a Bitcoin and so on. You're buying Bitcoin, you're transferring to your wallet and so on. So what I understand by this is that and this is a discussion that you will not have full control over your Bitcoin, because this Bitcoin ETF will be redeemable, so you can kind of withdraw this to your wallet. But looks like something else will be there blocking it. I don't know how this subject will evolve, but we're gonna be keeping an eye on it. So as you can see, like shady practices are going there forever. And I'm just reminding you about the blockchain bank. From my link, you can get $50 after 30 days if you will buy on this app, okay, and stack it, okay? But you have to use my reference code. It's not about link, but about code. People are getting this, very happy. So normally you get $5 with my link, $50. But remember, this code is most important, which is there, not link, but code. And of course, Swissborg, like if you have crypto.com, Nexo, these two platforms that I'm using, look at these coins and their bonuses, because now these coins are cheap and you can easily fulfill their levels of membership, and then use this to get the boost in yield, twice more. Like normally people have 8%, 4%. I have sometimes 8%, yield. I have this Genesis one. So it's good to kind of start this thing. So it is for today, enough for today, okay? Very quick video. Remember about these coins, which I gave you, because they didn't run yet, and they might be at the radar of some bigger groups. Take care and see ya.